Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Google Chrome profile with a password. Since Chrome no longer has a built-in profile lock feature, you can use a Chrome extension to password protect your browser. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Hover over Extensions, then click Visit Chrome Web Store. Once the Chrome Web Store opens, click the search bar and type Lock Chrome. Press Enter to search. From the search results, choose a Chrome lock extension, such as LockPW password for your browser. Click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear. Click Add Extension. Wait a few moments while Chrome installs the extension. Once the installation is complete, the extension setup window will appear. Enter the password you want to use to lock your Chrome browser. Confirm your password if prompted, then click OK or Save to finish the setup. The extension will automatically configure your password protection. Now, close Google Chrome. Open Chrome again. Before you can access your browser, you'll be asked to enter the password you created. Type your password and click OK. Your Chrome profile will now be unlocked and you can use the browser as usual. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to lock your Google Chrome profile with a password. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.